Okay. I have this row ID, that is nothing, it is a serial order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do not want to show this. I want to show only the data whatever it is there. I do not want to show the row ID. So, that means row ID what? It is meaning of serially 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to hide it. I do not want to display this, or you want to hide any other table, right, any other column, sorry. If you want to hide any other column, that also you can do that. Okay. So, for this you can see you have a drop down option. When you click on that, it will show you the several options. You can click on, that is why I am keep telling you, please explore every option when you click on that particular column or particular any field. So, you can see here I have option called hide. If I click hide, you can see that the row ID is hidden. Even if you want to hide order ID, same way you just click on that and you can click on hide. So, this you can see that the order ID also now hidden. Now, it is not visible, gone, right. So, it is not visible now, only I have this much data. In case, how can I unhide it? So, where is the option? Option is not here, right. It is only option for particular column, either you want to hide or you want to whatever you do. But if you come on the right side, you can see that you have a gear icon. When you click on gear icon, it will display you that what you want to do. You want to show aliases or show hidden fields. So, just now we have hidden the field. You can click on show hidden fields and you can see that it will visible over here, okay, and you click unhide. Okay. Click on this and you can unhide. So, this all the column whichever you want to hide, whichever you want to unhide, you can do this hide and unhide. This is the second. Next, it is like renaming. Suppose I do not want this order ID or its order date, I want some different name to be given for the particular column head. How to do that? Yes, that also is possible. If you click on that, similarly, if you look at here, or if you first I will go with this one only. If you click here, you can see that you have option called rename, right. So, if I click on rename, you can see that it is suggesting me to change the name of the row ID. So, whatever I want, I can give that. I will give serial number, that is all, and hit enter. This is done. Then now it is changed. Similarly, you want to change any other column head, same way you can just click on that, you can rename, or even you can double click, it will get rename. So, order ID, I will give order number, okay, and hit enter. You can see that it's we are able to change this column head. You can change the column head based on my usage. Based on my understanding, I want to represent my visualization, I can change it, right, clear. Now, suppose what happened, no, what was the data actually was given, I want in that data only. Someone will reset, and that means they will change the name and they will show it. Now, I want to bring back my actual name of the column, that is also possible. Again, once again you have to click on that. That means you have to click on drop down here on the top of this column, every column, and you can see that you have the option called reset name. When you click on reset name, automatically name will be resetted in the original name. This also you can perform. So, resetting name is also renaming and resetting, it is possible. Okay.